Within 3 weeks of taking the course, I received my first check for $100. I have eight signings under my belt. And so that's really exciting for my wife and me. We'll be able to use that income to supplement the income we get from other sources, and we'll be able to do some things that we like to do. So that has changed our lives, and I'm really happy that I'm taking the course. Hi, my name is Robert Fryer. I've been a loan signing agent now for about 5 weeks. My financial situation prior to taking the loan signing system course was that I was retired for about 2 years, and I felt that it would be helpful to earn a little bit more income on a part-time basis. And so I started to look into the loan signing system. I should point out to those of you who are considering taking the course that, as you'll learn from it, there are multiple ways to make money as a notary. It's not just loan signing, which is certainly a key area, but there are other areas that you can explore in order to make income from your notary capabilities. So if someone's sitting on the fence about taking the course, I would highly recommend it. It is something that you can do like I do on a part-time basis, but there are many people who do this full-time. And from what I understand, they're doing quite well. You do need to put in the time and the effort and learn the system, but it's definitely worth pursuing, and I would recommend it.